Second thing is we're going to see if we can buy a small kind of mobile radiator while we're waiting for our oil to be delivered. So that's the plan for today. Alright, so we're looking at heaters first, and we have this one for 217. That's a bit spenny. 60 quid for this one, but I think the one that we're going to get is this one, Russell Hobbs. It has a timer, so we've got to time it in the morning. And also this one is 70 quid. What else were you thinking as well?
Maybe an electric blanket.
Oh yes, an electric blanket as well. Might be handy for warming up the bed.
I'm going to get boots as well.
Oh, Sarah's going to buy herself some boots as well. Nice. Ah, the snow is gone.
Nice and slopping.
Is it wet?
Yeah, I wouldn't put that in.
Oh no?
If it's wet, like, careful.
Oh yeah. Absolute madness. So we obviously went for this option instead of the small can of oil. I think it was just a cleaner job. And if we're going to be getting oil anyway, you know, we might as well just wait. Ah, beautiful heat.